Welcome to this detailed tutorial on integrating your Twitter feed into your WordPress website using a simple and efficient process that should take roughly 5 minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Click on this login button to get started. After selecting the login option, you will notice an alternative method to sign in using your Google account. This method not only speeds up the process but also streamlines your access with a level of security provided by Google. Click on the Continue with Google option and then choose the Google account you wish to use. Your selected account will grant you access to the WordPress dashboard in a secure manner. Once you have successfully logged in with your Google credentials, the interface will present a section known as Quick Links. In this section, there is an option labeled Edit Site. Locate this option and click on it to proceed. This action will bring you to the website management area where all your existing sites are listed. Find the website that you want to integrate with your Twitter feed and click on it to start the editing process. With your website now open in the editor, look towards the top left corner of the interface where you will see a plus icon. This icon represents the addition of new elements to your site. Clicking on the plus icon opens a search field designed to help you quickly locate various blocks and features that you can add to your website. In the search bar, type the words Twitter Embed. As you type, WordPress will filter the options and present you with the Twitter Embed block, a tool specifically designed to incorporate your Twitter content onto your page. Once the Twitter Embed block appears in the search results, click on it. Doing so will add the block to your website's layout, positioning it where you can customize its settings. At this stage, enter the URL associated with your Twitter account into the provided field within the block. This URL serves to connect the embed function with your actual Twitter content. After you have carefully entered your URL, click on the Embed button. This action initiates the connection between your website and your Twitter account, ensuring that your Twitter feed will be displayed properly within the block. The final step in this process is to secure your changes. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will find the Save option. Click on Save to ensure that all of your work, including the newly added Twitter embed block and the connection of your Twitter account, is stored and implemented on your website. By following these clear and methodical instructions, your WordPress website will now feature a live Twitter feed. This addition not only enriches your site's content, but also provides a dynamic channel for real-time updates. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced social media integration and the added functionality that bringing live Twitter content to your website offers.